Take a look at this old school hot rod here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1950 Mercury Coupe. You have a dark teal color, saddle or tan interior. Take a look at this grille. Look at the bright work and chrome up front on this one. 350 V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with a 700 R4 automatic with overdrive transmission. And it will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that is included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See, the paint has a nice shine to it. You can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. You'll see the underside, interior, engine bay, white wall radials, wheel covers. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. Take a look at the bright work. Riding low like a 1950 Mercury street rod should. Fender skirts in the back. There's some touch-up paint and what have you on the front of this. Paint's not perfect on the car, but this is one of those cars. Get in, drive it, have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local shows. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at the interior too, but you can see custom interior, bench seat up front. Plenty of room for passengers in the back. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. As we take a look at the chrome in the rear of the car, dual exhaust. Once again, UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. Take a look down the driver's side here. Looks like the bright work is pretty decent shape if you look at the side molding. And let's look at this interior a little closer. Door panels. Beige in color. And then, like I said, kind of a saddle or tan color interior. Actually, Cadillac seats. See by the logo right there. Looks like possibly out of a, what would you say, 80s to 90s vintage Cadillac. Late 80s, early 90s. Tilt column. We have a little note here too. It's kind of a little tough to see, but if you need to see your gas gauge, it is behind the grate there in the dash. A little rumble out of that 350. All right. Some aftermarket, looks like Stuart Warner gauges for temp and oil pressure. Tachometer, I believe it is down here. Yeah. I've had the wipers working, but I have not had the radio working, just so you know. How about headliner? Headliner looks good. Slip around to the back so you can hear it. Alright, let me get up to the front here. Let's get this hood popped, check out this engine bay, and then remember at the end of the video, take a little drive in this car so you kind of get a virtual ride, I guess, if you will. See what it's like to go down the road in this 1950 Merc. Underside of the hood. And engine bay. Some custom pinstriping again, old school hot rod look. Electric pusher fan. 350 power steering, power brakes. 4-barrel Edelbrock on there. Battery disconnect up here. The battery for when it's in storage or in between drives. It's like a Street Warrior intake manifold. Pretty smooth running. Don't forget, stick around. Check out the driving video on this 1950 Mercury old school street rotted coupe. UniqueClassicCars.com. 507-386-1726 is how you can get a hold of us. Click on that link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you to the website. Check out all the still pictures. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1950 Mercury two-door. Will be a Mercury Coupe. This is an automatic on the column. We have an oil pressure gauge in the dash reading 55 pounds and the temperature reading 160 to 165. Speedometer working well. The wipers also do function on this Mercury. Nice smooth ride. Good power for the weight of this car. If I let go of the wheel, it doesn't turn to either direction, stays nice and straight. Very nice interior in this car. Redone in some cloth with leather seats. Custom cup holders. On the lower right of the column, we do have a tachometer mounted. That is working well. Really good paint color sparkles in the sun. Brakes are very good. This car corners well. Corners much better than a original 1950 Mercury would. Exhaust sounds really nice when you get on it. Get the RPMs up a bit. Very nice handling Mercury, very comfortable, great road trip car, I would say. Take a look at all the pictures of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.